Thousands of people took to the streets in Bulgaria on Saturday, calling on the government to preserve the country's national currency and not enter the Eurozone. Marches were held in the capital Sofia and several other cities. They were organised by the ultra-nationalist Revival Party and several NGOs, who believe that if Bulgaria enters the Eurozone, prices will rise and the country's economic sovereignty will be limited.
Една народна воля. Народната воля в момента казва категорично: не искаме българският лев да бъде унищожен. Искаме да запазим българската валута, искаме да запазим свободата на България. И точно заради това искаме да бъде проведен такъв референдум.
In 2024, the European Central Bank said Bulgaria could not yet join the currency union due to its high inflation. Bulgaria's new government, which was formed last month, has made Eurozone membership a key priority.